Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we have got an opportunity to participate in a very interesting activity named the World of the Word. You must have heard about many different words like the world of happiness, the world of sorrow, the world of laughter, and so on. Now, we all will enter into the new world that is the world of the words, where there will be words through which we will play a quiz. So let's let's enter into the world of words. The participant will be asked few words of which they will have to say their antonyms, synonyms and next sentence. So let's start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Krishn Dutt Pachori. I am a spoken English trainer here at Boston Public School. Today we are going to conduct a quiz based on vocabulary words. For this quiz, we have got 3 teams from all 3 sections of class 5. In this quiz, we are going to have 3 rounds. The first round is going to be about synonyms. The second round will be about antonyms. And in the third round, I'm going to give them words and these students are going to frame sentences using those words. So let's get started. So I'm going to give first 5 words to class 5th A and these students will give me their synonyms. Students, your first word, immense.
Huge and enormous.
Absolutely right. Activate.
Start and switch on.
That's right. Friend.
Fellow companion.
Perfect. Invisible.
Unseen, unnoticeable.
Okay, one of them is correct. 5th B. Now it's your turn. Your first word is bust.
Break open, crack.
That's correct. Marvelous.
Awesome and amazing.
That's right. Remove.
Disconnected and separate.
Absolutely right. Decline.
Reduce or decrease.
That's absolutely right. Reluctance.
Unwillingness, hesitation.
That's correct. Now I'm going to 5th C. 5th C for you. The first word is surprised.
Astonished and shocked.
That's absolutely right. Minute.
Tiny and small.
Tiny and small. That's absolutely correct. Attempt.
Try, steal.
One of them was correct. Defeat.
Loss and conquer.
One of them is correct again. Accept.
Received, gained.
Fabulous. That's a correct answer. After the conclusion of round 1, Team C has gained 4 points. Team A has gained 4.5 points. And Team B is leading this round with 5 points. Now, round 2 is going to be about antonyms. These students are going to give me the antonyms of the same words that they gave me synonyms of. So, I'm going to start with 5th A. 5th A, for you, the first word is immense. This time you have to tell me antonyms.
Little and small.
Little and small, that's absolutely right. Activate. Antonyms.
Deactivate, switch off.
That's right. Friend.
Animal, visible.
One of them is correct. Invisible.
Visible, viewable.
Visible and viewable. That's right. Mischief.
Behavior and solemnity.
Very good. 5th B. I am coming back to you. Remember, you have to give me the antonyms. Your first word is bust. Antonyms.
Shrink, decay.
Absolutely right. Remove. Antonyms.
Attach and replace.
That's right. Awesome. Decline.
Increase or accept.
Absolutely fabulous. Reluctance.
Willingness, eagerness.
That's correct. 5th C. It's your turn now. Your first word is surprised. Antonyms. Surprised.
Unaffected, unsurprised.
That's right. Minute.
Huge, big.
That's right. Awesome. Attempt.
Refuse and ignore.
Fabulous. Defeat.
Victory and success.
That's correct. Accept.
Refuse and rejected.
Fabulous. This is going to be our final round, and in this round I'm going to give these students some words, the same words that I gave them earlier, but this time they are going to frame sentences by using these words. So I'm going to start again with 5th A. 5th A, for you, the first word is immense. Give me a sentence using immense.
My house is immense.
That's right. Activate. Give me a sentence using activate.
The robot is activate.
I'm afraid that's not perfectly right. The next word. Friend.
Pranit is my friend.
That's correct. Invisible.
The chair was invisible.
That's absolutely fine. Fabulous. Good job. Fifth B. Now I'm coming back to you. For you, the first word is bust. Give me a sentence using bust.
He burst crackers on Diwali.
Good job. Decline.
I declined the job.
That's great. Reluctance.
He answered the question without reluctance.
That's right. Fifth C. Now I'm coming back to you. It's your turn now. Your first word is surprised. You have to give me sentences.
He will surprise me.
That's great. Hence, we have concluded all 3 rounds of this quiz. And after the end of this final round, it's the time to announce the results. So, the team that has gained the 3rd position is 5th C with 13 points. The first runner-up of this quiz is Team A with 13.5 points. And the winner of this quiz is 5th B with 15 points. This was our initiative to encourage our students to enhance their vocabulary so that they get good at expressing their thoughts and ideas. I hope you would have all enjoyed it, and hearty congratulations to all the participants. Keep learning and keep growing.